Hi everyone, thanks very much for joining me. My name is Dean and this is my YouTube channel. It is all about financial independence through cryptocurrencies. So I really wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to share what it is that I'm trying to do with this channel. So what I'm going to go through, there's kind of three main things that I'm going to go through right now. Two things about the channel. One is kind of a little plug at the end. The first thing is, obviously what's the channel about? What am I going to talk about? What am I going to do? The second thing will be, I'm going to, try to share with you what you can expect from this channel, what I'll be producing for you over time. And then the third thing will be kind of a little question, a little philosophical plug, and get you maybe thinking about why it is that you're here. So again, what's the channel about? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe talk about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's kind of the main cryptocurrency, but it's not the only cryptocurrency. So I'm going to talk about cryptocurrencies in general as a whole, the blockchain, all those kind of things. What I'm going to also do is talk to you and show you and go through and teach you, if you want, what it is that I do to make money with cryptocurrencies online, and how I'm using these tools, these platforms, to make money, to get to that financial independence, again, through cryptocurrencies. The whole idea is that I'm going to document this journey. I'm going to go through what I do, what I've tried, what has maybe not worked as well for me, but I'll show you that anyways. The whole point is to document the journey and to kind of give you a story of a regular guy like me, who's going through the process and who is succeeding, whether it's through learning through failure, or whether it's something that actually does work, and going forward with that. So that's kind of what the channel is going to be about. What you can expect from this channel is I'm going to do a lot of videos. I'm going to do how to get started, how do you even buy Bitcoin, where do you go to buy it. It's not as simple yet as just going down to the bank and buying Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. How do you get involved? Also, I'm going to talk about wallets. You may have heard of wallets and what they are and why you need them and why they're really important. I'll also talk about the exchanges, and some of the exchanges is a way to kind of get your Bitcoin in and out of the market, and what you can, kind of moving things around, and I'll get a little more into that later. The lending platforms. So lending platforms, or HYIPs, high yield interest programs. Those are a very common way for a lot of people to make money online through cryptocurrencies. So I'll go through a lot of those with you as well. Another big popular one is mining. So Bitcoin and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies they're mined. So that's how they're created. So it's kind of this really interesting, strange way to think about it. Especially for me, I'm actually my day job, my day life is a mining engineer. So not that there's no relation whatsoever to cryptocurrencies, but anyway, I find this space really interesting, so that's why I'm doing this. So what else to expect from this YouTube channel is some more advanced things, like I'm just kind of getting into trading, and I'm going to share what I've done, how I've gotten into that. But trading is definitely more advanced. It's scary for a lot of people. ICOs are like IPOs. So IPO is an initial public offering of like a stock or security. ICO is an initial coin offering. It's the same idea. A lot of these coins or cryptocurrencies are like stocks, like companies. They offer something, they offer a service, they have a value, etc., etc. Anyway, so those are kind of just some of the things that I'm gonna go through, as well as I kind of want to be a little bit of a resource, a news resource, like what's happening in the crypto world, and when I find something out that I think may be relevant to what you're doing with your portfolio or your strategies and whatnot, I'll share that with you, and I'll give you my opinions. But I think this is a good place to put this disclaimer. I'm no longer actually a financial advisor. I used to be one, but I'm not a financial advisor, and this is a very risky realm, and you need to know that going into it. Right now, it's new. This is December 31st, 2017, and it's new. It's exciting. It's awesome, but there's a lot of risk involved. So you should know that going into it. And this is just my opinions. This is not financial advice. And what I hope you can expect from me is about 5 videos a week. I'm looking to do one daily. But I have 2 kids, full-time job, wife, life, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to hopefully do about 5 videos a week, and to give you just lots of information and document that journey for you, and kind of show you what I'm doing, and then hopefully you can apply some of that to what you want to do, and maybe implement some of the strategies that I use in your strategy, or your path forward, I guess. So the third thing is what I kind of wanted to touch on was, what does financial independence mean? What does it mean to you, at least, right? You can say that, maybe is it $1 million? Does that mean financial independence? Well, to me personally, financial independence is not having to go to work, but for me personally, it's going to a job or a career, something that you really enjoy, not because you have to, because you want to. So I think that's huge. That's kind of my big thing, is I want to get to that point where I can provide for my family and I can provide the lifestyle that we want, but it's not that you have to go to work, that you want to go to work. So in other words, you're able to do what you want to do, right? So that's kind of my whole philosophy about it. So I one of the things I'm going to kind of do in my videos, I'm going to try to do this every video, is essentially a question. Like what I would love is some interaction. Like what does financial independence mean to you? So that's kind of my question for you today, is what does that mean to you? Like what is there a goal in the sky? Is there a path, a point, a number, something you can do with your life? What is it that you want to do that means financial independence? And comment below. Let me know what that is, and I'll comment if I can, and or even ask me a question. I'd be happy to answer. I'd love to answer those. So this is just a quick video. I just kind of wanted to go through all that. This is what the channel is about. If you do like this and you do find some value, please go down below here on the one side if you're watching on your desktop. I can't remember what it is on your phone, but hit the like button if you like the video. I appreciate that. And subscribe if you're looking for more. If you're looking for some more information, and if you're going to subscribe, hit that bell notification. That will let you know. It'll toss you an email when I do upload some new videos, and it'll kind of let you know what's going on. And the last thing I want to finish with is, and this is kind of going to become my motto for this channel, is invest in yourself. Do the research, check it out, decide, be financially independent, and go for it. So I really appreciate you watching. Thanks very much, and I really look forward to making some more content with you. Cheers.